Alright, so I might have filmed these a couple times. I know I filmed it on this phone, but it does not work anymore, so I am redoing that video. And I'm gonna put this stuff down real quick. Here's this train. This is an XR14. It's not been running. It is from 2021, and it is a 5-ton. If this thing would focus. Alright, I'm impatient. And here's this brand new carrier Sensory. This replaced a Linux Merit series. Brand new. Is that what kind of compressor is that? Is that an Alliance? Carriers, I think, use Alliance now. It's interesting. It's from 2024. Yeah, I think it's been running, so I should get it started on. And this is 10-star. Running. There's the data. It's right there. Here's the cold spike. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.